Hey guys, here's the lecture video on multiply and divide rational expressions. So students will be able to multiply and divide rational expressions. So here are the steps for you guys to multiply and divide rational expressions. To multiply, you got to factor all numerators and denominators. So that's number one. Number two, you divide out all common factors, or you cancel. You cancel whatever you guys can from the numerator and from the denominator. And then step three, after you cancel out everything, you multiply numerators together and multiply denominators together. And if you have a division rational expression, then you invert the divisor, the second fraction, and multiply. So if some of you are like, I don't know what that's really talking about, well, let's bring you guys back to this. Right? When you guys first learned multiplying by fractions. So you guys learned to just multiply across and you guys would get, right, 2 over 6, divide top and bottom by 2, and you guys would get 1/3, right? Well, you also learned that if you guys have similar factors, top and bottom, and you divide top and bottom by 2, both of these become 1 and 1. So 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 3 is 3. So that's multiplying. Now, do you guys recall when you guys did division? Well, when you guys divide with fractions, this is really 3/4. You change the division sign to be multiplication, and then you flip or take the reciprocal of the second fraction, right? And then this is treated just like a multiplication problem, and we would just have 3. So that is exactly what this is talking about, you guys. Multiply, and then factor everything you cancel, and then multiply across. Or if you have division, change the division sign to be multiplication, take the reciprocal, and then treat it like a multiplication type problem. So let's take a look at example 1. It's multiplication, so everything is factored, so let's cancel something. 3's cancel. Now you guys, you will all agree that x to the second is x times x, right? X times x. So if you cancel one x away, then that takes out that x, right? This 4 and 2, you could divide both of them by 2, so we get 1 and 2 right there. This has 1y, this has y to the third, so 1y away from there, you would be still left with y to the second there. So what's left on the top? A 2, an x, and a y to the second. And it's all over 1. So it's just going to be 2xy to the second power. So again, factor out everything if you can. Cancel what you can from top and bottom. Simplify, right? And then multiply straight across. Let's try this one. Well, so we have x minus 5 all over 1 times 7. Here you guys can factor out x to the second from both. So if you take away 2x's from there, that's x. If you take 2x's away from there, there's no more x, so it just leaves the minus 5. And then cancel what you guys can from top and from bottom. There's an x minus 5 top and bottom, so cancel that out, and that's it. So we have 7 all over 1 times x squared, which is just x squared. Example 3. Okay. So if you guys forgot x plus 2 to the second, that's really x plus 2 times itself, right? It's x plus 2 times itself. So so we can solve that out, and hold on one sec.
That's where it says advisor's signature.
Okay.
I think that's it.
Okay. Thanks.
I think so. But if it is not, then I'm sorry, I'll have to come back.
Okay. Okay, so as I was saying, so x plus 2 squared, and then 6x to the second times 3x. Now you guys, this x squared minus 4, you guys can factor that by doing a difference of squares factoring, right? What times itself is x squared? X times x. What times itself is 4? 2 times 2, plus and minus, right? Now let's cancel. X plus 2's. Cancel. This 3 cancels off with this 6, so 3 divided by 3 will just leave a 1. 6 divided by 3 will give you guys 2, right? And, right, I'm going to erase this. That x, you guys, is really x times x. So you can cancel 1x up top with 1x on the bottom. So what's left? X plus 2 up top. On the bottom, we got a 2, we got an x, and we got an x minus 2. And that will be your guys' answer. Okay? Now let's look at example 4. Now with example 4, okay, it's division, everybody. We need to change that to be multiplication. So we're gonna change it to multiplication and take the reciprocal of this side. So x squared minus 5x minus 14 all over x squared minus 49, right? So now it's multiplication. So now we have to factor everything. This, and this. We have to factor everything. So here you guys can factor using your guys' x method, right? 7 and negative 3. This one 2. 4 and 4 is 2 and 2. This one, negative 14, negative 5, negative 7 and 2. And this one is a difference of squares, you guys. So that is how you guys factor each part. So let's execute it, right? Up top, x plus 7, x minus 3. Down low, x plus 2, x plus 2. Up top, x minus 7 times x plus 2. Down low, x plus 7 times x minus 7. Cancel, right? We factored everything, now cancel. 1 for 1, x plus 7, x plus 7. X minus 7, x minus 7. X plus 2, x plus 2. So all that leaves you guys is x minus 3 all over x plus 2. Okay, so there's that one. Example 5. Again, we got another division, right? So we need to change that. So rewrite everything, but now change it to multiplication, and you guys flip that. Take the reciprocal, right? And now it's multiplication, so let's now factor each numerator and denominator if we can. Difference of squares. So we get y plus 3 times y minus 3 all over y squared times y plus 2 all over, you guys can factor out 4 y's from each one. So y to the 4th, take away 4 y's from there, y, take away 4 y's from there, no more, so just the plus 3. Cancel what you guys can from top and bottom, which is just y plus 3. So multiply across, you guys. We just have y minus 3 times y plus 2 up top. Y to the 2nd times y to the 4th, you guys, you add the exponents for y to the 6th. Okay, so definitely you guys should probably try these on your own. Pause the video, try them out first, and see how you guys do, and then play the video when you guys feel like you are ready, right? Okay, so let's see how you guys did. Okay, up top, factor the top part, so you guys get negative 7 and negative 3. And over here, the top run right there, so I'll circle the ones you guys have to factor, right? 4 and negative 3. So on the numerator, you guys get x minus 7 times x minus 3 all over x minus 7. On the top right, you guys get x plus 4 times x minus 3 all over. Now again, if you guys want to rewrite this to be x minus 3 times itself, you guys can, right? So now let's cancel out everything. X minus 7s, we can cancel. X minus 3, 1 for 1, cancel. Another x minus 3, cancel from top and bottom. So all that's left is x plus 4. Number 2, change this division sign to be multiplication, right? So we're going to have x squared plus 3x plus 2 all over x plus 5 times x minus 2. Take the reciprocal of this, right? So multiplication, x plus 5, x minus 2 all over x plus 1. Let's factor this, you guys. So 2 and 1. So we're going to get x plus 2, x plus 1 all over x plus 5, x minus 2 times x plus 5, x minus 2 all over x plus 1. So let's factor. Alright, sorry, we factored. Let's cancel. X plus 1's gone. X plus 5's gone. X minus 2's gone. So we just have x plus 2. And lastly, so again, division, we're going to change it to multiplication, right? So flip this one, right, you guys? Take the reciprocal of it. And now let's factor. 12 and 7, 4 and 3. Here, 6 and 5, 2 and 3. So then you guys, we get x plus 4 all over x plus 4 times x plus 3 times x plus 2, x plus 3 all over 6. So x plus 4's cancel, x plus 3's cancel. So the only thing that remains, you guys, oh, I don't know why I wrote a 6. Should be a 5. So all that remains, you guys, is an x plus 2 up top all over 5. And that's going to be your guys' answer. So hopefully this helped you guys out. Scale it from 1 through 5 on your level of understanding. And please write down your guys' what you learned in today's lesson. One thing, okay? All right, good luck, you guys. Peace.